So now we've created the equation that they asked us over here. Let's go ahead. That talks about that relationship. So let's go ahead and take a look at number two. So number two says, after how many months would a bamboo plant be 63 inches tall? Okay. So the first thing we know is that when we started tracking this thing was already what? 12 inches tall. Okay, so 12 inches tall. We still don't know the amount of months, right? But we do know that for every 1 month, what happens? That bamboo grows 3 inches. Okay, so we know that. What are we trying to find out? How many months will it take for that bamboo plant to be a total of 64 inches? So starting here at 12 inches, but obviously this doesn't go far enough, but going up to what you would say, 66 inches here. And this stops at like 16. All right. So let's go over here. So all we have to do is solve this equation. So there's our original equation. And I'm going to go here 66 equals 3x plus 12. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and do an inverse operation. For those of you guys into arithmetic, if I see 12 here, minus 12, minus 12. For those of you that actually, I really want you to see it this way. These are 12 positives, these are 12 negatives. So if I'm at positive 12 on the number line, 12 negatives puts me at 0. 12 negatives over here. But also in a situation like this, be flexible to see this as just pure arithmetic. So goodbye. The difference of that is 4. Difference of 6 and 2 is 4. The difference of 6 and 1 is 5. So then I have 3x here. Oh, time for what? Hit it with an FB, baby. Let's go and hit with FB. So FB, I do what I call an eyeball check. What numbers is the coefficient? The 3. Then guess what? I divide by 3. All right. And then I take out the other espejo, right? All right. I go over there and I mirror the same thing I did over here. FB, FB, 3, 3. Just trying to do a wind up. How many sets of that? I don't know. So let's see. Let me go over here really fast. And one set, 3, 2. What is that? What was that? 4 and then 8. So 18. So then I have there are 18 sets of 3. And it looks like that if you had 18, if you let the plant go for 18 months, it would have 66 inches. It would be a total of 66 inches. All right, so let's prove that mathematically if that's true. So let's go here. I'm going to erase. We found out that it was 18 months. So let's see if that's true. Let's go to the original equation. And let's do a little plug and play, all right? So it was 18, right? So let's erase 18. We know it is there. Let's put a 2 there to make sure we got it. All right. So we said if it's going at 3 inches a month, if we go for 18 months, and it started off at 12 inches, it started at 12 inches, and then from those 12 inches, if we let it grow for 18 months at the rate of 3 inches per what month, it should equal 66 inches. So let's see here. And 3 sets of 18, what we said that was 54. Remember, so 54. All right, so we started off at 12 inches. It grew 54 inches in the 18 months. Yep, it would take 18 months for that plant to grow to 66 inches. So I hope that helps you better understand what's happening here. And I think that sort of answers that thing here where it says explain your reasoning here. Kind of explain as we went through there. We started off, it was 12 inches. We found out that if it grows at 3 inches per month, and they went ahead and figured out how many months it was for it to get to 66 inches. We found it was 18 months. And then we did a little plug and play and proved that it was true. All right, so this just explained this challenge for you. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. All right, that's it.